Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. If you have clicked on this video, you might be wondering how to use my Discord server. Before we get into that, I will let you know what is Discord and why do we use Discord. You see, Discord is a proprietary freeware VoIP application and digital. In short, it's a mixture of Classroom, WhatsApp, and all other chat rooms combined. To use Discord, there are probably 3 or 4 different ways. So the first way and the best way is to get Discord the app, which you can download from discord.com. And as you go there, you can click on download and download in Windows. The other option is to open Discord in your browser. You can also get it on your phone, which is really cool and will be helpful for the classroom purposes. Alright, so after that, you just need to put your email and a password and you can create a new account by clicking on register. So you click on register, you put in your email, your username, your password, and then you verify it in your email ID for a full Discord account. So I'm just gonna log in. And after you log in, you'll be open to the Discord. Now your screen will be completely blank. This is already my second account. And this is my main account where I made this Discord server. So how do you join it? For that, you need to click on an invite link that will be sent to you by your friends or teachers or whatever to join. For example, I'm just going to create a quick invite link over here. And it's hidden right now because I'm recording, but otherwise it will be visible here. I'll just copy it. So I'll just paste it over here in my second account. And they should be able to join here when I tell them. Right, so I'll told them to join and they should probably join by now. And once you get the link, all you have to do is go to add a server, join a server, paste the link that you get. These links expire, but you can also have a link which does not expire, which I'll be giving out soon. And boom, here you are. And you might notice that, wait, you don't see any of these. Why is that? Well, for that, I have coded a assign yourself room where you can react to these emojis and then you will be given your respective channels instantly. So are you a student? You will click yes, your stream, your semester, you will be given access to these channels respectively. So let's do that from my alternate account. So from here, I'll just go to assign yourselves and then I can react to this and to get my roles. Now, what are roles? So roles are given out as permissions, and permissions are a way of telling what tasks you can do and what you cannot. So I've created a lot of roles, each do a specific purpose. So for example, a teacher's role can do that, a student council role can do that, etc. So right now you can see these people have joined and he got the student role. How did he do that? As soon as you go and click on this, you'll be given the student role and now you can actually chat over here, but you still not in any stream or any semester, right? So for that, you have to click on one of these. For example, the first one is comms, second one is IT, third one is civil, etc. So for example, I click on comms and now I have unlocked these two. And for semester 6, I get the semester 6 classroom. Right now, I have only made about these ones. I will be adding more soon. And I have also made this creative thing over here. So your hobbies, for example, gaming, YouTubing, you might post memes, etc. Those will give you access to these channels right here. So you can post your memes here, you can post your YouTube videos here, etc. Also, there are roles lele. You will be seeing as soon as he's reacting over here, he'll be getting his roles.
ले लिए
So there are a couple roles right now, which are the teachers.
blah blah.
There are a couple roles right now, which are the teacher's role and the student's role. So I'll be giving myself the teacher's role right here. And now you can see what a teacher can do as opposed to a student. So I have a teacher right now. So having the teacher role gives us a lot of permissions. For example, I can delete this message from a student. If I don't give myself the teacher's role, Here, I cannot do that anymore. So teachers have higher permissions than students. And that's how this whole Discord is set up. So teachers can do that. Teachers can give out announcements in the specific channels. And the thing is, you can tag specific roles. For example, I only want to tell a message to the comms community. How do I do that? So I just tag, and then I put out a message over here. And only the comms department will get this tag over here. So you can do that. It also has really precise text formatting. And you can also have custom emojis, and the free server package contains up to 50 free emojis. We also have voice channels, and how the voice channels work is that you join. I'll tell them to join right now. So for the voice channels, you can actually have your groups join in the voice channel at once. So for example, I want them to join the important discussion one.
$2,000 later.
You can mute, you can deafen yourselves from the voices, and the teachers can do so well. Hello,
हाँ बोल
voice आ रहा है?
क्लियर
हाँ, अमित किधर है?
वो ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ शायद से
Alright, and the best part is that you can share your screens right here, so lectures could be given out. You can do your webcams, or you can share your screen.
हेलो
Hello.
हाँ बोलो
अच्छा सुन, important discussion पे और एक बार क्लिक कर, तो फिर देखो पूरा स्क्रीन शेयर दिखेगा.
हाँ दिखा
ओ वी भाई
हाँ, ये कर लो पहले. Now, as a teacher, you can join.
ये कौन आया
अरे
मिनी डेडिया हु इज ही
अरे भाई, मेरा ही alternate account है. हाँ
हम
ये.
कैसे माने ना जी ना
So you can defend yourselves, as well as if you're a teacher, you can also defend the students. So as you can see, if you have the teacher's role, you can actually mute your students as well. So that works pretty good.
हम सबको गूंगा करके चला गया क्या
अरे भाई, मैं दिखा रहा था कि टीचर्स लोग म्यूट भी कर सकते हैं.
कर दो गूंगा
होते भाई कुछ लोग, बेचारा टीचर कुछ बोल रहे हो, अपनी बकबक करे जा रहे, तो म्यूट हो सकता है.
गूंगा कर देंगे
So what is the future flexibility of this? Well, you can do a lot more in Discord than this. You can have assignments, you can have automated responses, you can have your own bots. For example, right now there are 3 bots. So the Carl bot is being used to give out role setups. So you can put these codes to make these kinds of messages, which assign roles to the channels. We have the rhythm bots, which are for music. Music is really cool. So you can have your buddies join over here, and in the music command, you can just type in a command to play a song. You can also adjust the volume of the user. For example, I can put it to 30%. And you have different commands like play, pause. You can drag students in your classroom. so they all can hear you at once. You can have them leave, and you can leave yourself as well. So what are these bots? They are just taking in a play command. They take in the song name, they search it on YouTube, and they just start playing in the voice channel you were in. So we have two bots for two different channels, and you can have your own bots. So the Discord bots can be coded in many different languages like Java, Python, Node.js, etc. We'll be using Python over here, and you can really search it up, and there are many websites that will show you how to make a bot in Discord. Yeah, it's really not that hard, and you can have a really kick-ass server at your fingertips. And you can have a really clean server as per your needs. That's really it for this video. The server is in very early stages, and it was just a tutorial on how to use it. And yeah, that's it for now. See you later.